In the Mavericks and Suns game, Paul found that there were only 4 opponents on the court and reported to the referee. The Lakers once had 6 players on the court, which confused James. On March 6th, Beijing time, the NBA welcomed the Mavericks and the Suns. It is worth mentioning that this is the first time since Irving and Durant's first head-to-head confrontation after the breakup. Finally, the Suns led by Durant was better, and finally defeated the Mavericks by 130 to 126. It's worth mentioning that there was a bizarre scene at the end of the game. When Durant was taking the free throw, Paul, who was on the bench, noticed that there were fewer players. After careful counting, he found that the Mavericks were 1 short. So he immediately reminded the referee that the opponent requesting the Mavericks to be penalized for a foul. However, after the referee reviewed, the foul was not called. The game continued. But this is not the first time on the NBA court the number of players was wrong. For example, in the Lakers game against the Kings, the Lakers had a situation where 6 players on the court at the same time, which confused the Kings players at that time. Then James found out that a teammate had replaced him, but the coach didn't notify them properly, so he was confused and left the court. The Mavericks also had the same situation, and more than once. In the game against the Cavaliers and Timberwolves, Popovich secretly sent 6 players on the court, which was eventually discovered by the referee and was penalized for a technical foul, which was a loss.